guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Halloween party and I have a few hours to get ready, so I'm gonna have some fun with it. So I'm going as a green alien to this party, so I do have these really funky light up eyeballs that are gonna go on my head. And the actual outfit is a beautiful dress that I absolutely love, but it is just, it never quite fits for any normal event, but for fancy dress, this is ideal because it almost looks like scales. So that's the dress, and it has this nice little keyhole here, so I think that's going to work. So green is the common factor with this outfit. Then I am going to make my hair somewhat green, and finally I have an excuse to wear the coolest shoes ever. So I got sent these years ago now, and I have been obsessed with them because of the toadstool and just the neon like plants on them. I'm just in love with them, but they're not the most practical to wear ever, really. So I thought they'll jazz up my alien outfit pretty perfect. And I am also going to wear neon green tights with the look, but then I'm either going to put, I have got these nude kind of fishnets, which I might put over the top just to kind of change the effect of them slightly, or black fishnets, which are hiding over here. So I do have black ones as well. So we're going to play around and see what kind of works best with that. And then face-wise, I want it to be scary. So I did buy some liquid latex and also some fake blood, but I think I'm going to put my blood, it's going to be like a bit green and a bit red. So it might just look very infected, but I was thinking I'm a green alien. I feel like my blood wouldn't be red. So yeah, I'm going to have some fun with that. And then I just ran to the charity shop near me, actually, and I bought a load of CDs that are all different kind of holographic prints on them. I'm going to break them up and put them in my wounds to see if I can look like a intergalactic alien who's been in some sort of like fight or, you know, explosion, and I've got like bits of debris in my wounds, but still look cool. And I might draw a third eye on me as well. And I also, just to look extra creepy, I got contacts. Now, I don't want to brag, but usually my game of choice at parties is beer pong, and I'm a little bit worried that these contacts are going to affect my vision or my line of sight, so hopefully I can wear these and still ace the beer pong, but we'll see. But I just wanted to be kind of all green and quite jazzy, so let's get dressing up. So first things first, I'm going to spray my hair green, but just like strips of it, and I'm going to do this outside now just so it can kind of dry a little bit, because I want like strands of my hair to be completely green, and then in the final look I might just spray all of it green. So we're going to see, but I'm going to do it outside so I don't stain on my walls green. So I'll be back in a minute. I'll be honest, that didn't go as I planned, and I now have one stained hand and one stained eyeball. And my hair is kind of green in places and then normal in others. But we're going to work with it because the can ran out. It did this much of my hair and then said no more. So we're going to just, I kind of feel like I'm embodying an Oompa Loompa right now, but we're going to fix it. I think when it's all in an updo, it's going to look fabulous, you know, with the matching green. So yeah, not quite the start I was hoping for. So I'm going to learn how to use the liquid latex. This is definitely a case of trust the process, and breaking CDs is no joke. Like, they have flung shards of plastic all over my room, so I'm going to have to hoover extremely thoroughly to make sure I don't have like lots of shards of CDs everywhere. But this is the current look, so you can see I've put some CDs into the liquid latex, and I've mixed the liquid latex with tissue paper to kind of beef it out. I think this is actually not going to look like battle wounds, but more like my alien skin. So when this is all the same colour as me, I think it will almost look like I'm growing crystals out of my skin rather than it looking like shards of glass, which I think I prefer. So it's funny how things kind of morph into other things. So I'm going to let this fully dry before I start painting it, which, like, all the different colours of the rainbow. I'm going to play around with my hair next, I think. My hair is done, so I've just done these like two really gigantic kind of hair buns. Almost makes it look a bit Frankenstein-y, but I think it works because it kind of, these are a little bit cheap, these kind of headbands, and I think it's nice to incorporate it into the whole hairstyle. And I did leave down these bits in case I wanted stuff around my face. This one kind of hides the effect that I'm doing with the CD, so I can also just swing them around the eyeballs and just feed them into the hairstyle. So I also might rock it like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is, this is pretty much dry now, so I'm going to start working on my face. So I'm going to put just some concealer kind of around the latex bits, and then I think I'm going to start with my eyes, and I'm actually thinking I'm going to do a black look, because I think that could be pretty fun. So yes, I'm going to go do that, and I don't think I showed you guys. Oh yeah, they light up. So this whole outfit, I think, is coming together really nicely, and now it looks like these are like part of me. And I've got to say, the hair colour looks really cool. You can see the bits it hasn't gone on, but it's gone streaky where my highlights are. So it's kind of perfect, but keep that in mind with Hairspray. It works a lot better on blonde hair. Like, it barely has taken on my brown, so probably not the best if you've got dark hair. It was still a work in progress, but I kind of did this triple eyeliner sort of look and kept it quite simple so far. So time ended up getting the better of me, so I had to just speed get ready, hence I skipped quite a few steps here, but this is the finished look. So you can see the kind of CDs as shards of glass here, and I've got to say the contacts, I can't even feel them in my eyes. So these ones were really nice ones, because sometimes you get ones that are just a little bit thick, but these ones are pretty perfect. And then this is the other side. So I am kind of flicking these bits of hair back quite a bit, just so that the shards of glass don't get caught in my hair, but they keep flipping back. But this is the finished look. So just with the dress, and I put the fishnets, the black fishnets over the green tights, just to kind of create a more like alien skin. And then I have my two guns. One is gin, one is tonic, but they're my galactic space guns, just for fun. So yeah, this is the finished look, and the shoes are obviously the showstopper. There's not many other outfits I could wear these with, but with this one, they kind of rock it. And let's just do the final. She's ready to party. See you next time.